Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Ross and today I'm going to be talking you guys through 3 tips to help you stay on track with your New Year's resolutions. So starting with tip number 1, what you guys need to do is set a realistic goal. So what a lot of people do when it rolls around to January is they say to themselves, I want to exercise more. It's too broad, you can easily lose track of that week to week. Instead, you need to set it as a SMART goal, a very small achievable goal that will keep you motivated. So for example, you can say, I want to exercise at least twice per week, 30-minute sessions. And I know to a lot of you guys, you'll say to yourselves, well, that's not enough in terms of seeing results. But think about it, in terms of how to stay motivated, in terms of your New Year's resolutions and how to stay on track, is to set small achievable goals. And then once you're seeing that consistency, you can start increasing the frequency. So moving on to point 2, this is all based around creating a schedule. So we have routines every day that we wake up, regardless if we're going to work or we've got plans on the weekend or we're going to eat breakfast, lunch and dinner. We generally everyone has a routine that we follow. And it is crucial to stay on track with your fitness goals is to ensure that, for example, if you're going to implement the 2 30-minute sessions a week, is to put them on days when you can actually stick to them. And usually, if you're working a Monday to Friday, the easiest time that you can fit it into your schedule without things getting in the way is to put it on a Saturday and Sunday to begin with. Make sure you commit to it. Think about it like a doctor's appointment, something you can't miss. Once you build that consistency in over the first sort of 4 to 6 weeks, it will start to become a routine, just like everything else in your life. And that is a very important aspect in terms of staying consistent and seeing results. Moving on to point number 3, this is all about not being too hard on yourself. Look, when we set New Year's resolutions on the 1st of January and we have all of the best intentions of sticking to it week to week, life sometimes gets in the way, we get busy, sometimes we're sick, things happen. So if you do skip a gym session, if you do eat unhealthy for a day or 2, or even for 1 week, the whole year is not lost. The most important thing for you to do is to try and get back on track as fast as possible. Because once you get back on track, and again, you build a level of consistency into your weeks, you'll find then that the results will start to come, but just don't get too disheartened if you do have a bad week or even a bad 2 weeks. Don't be too hard on yourself. It happens to everybody, even for me. So just get back on it as fast as you can, and you know, we're all human at the end of the day. So there you go, guys. That's 3 tips I've shared with you in terms of how to stay on track with your New Year's resolutions. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'm uploading videos every week, so feel free to support me and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks very much.